How to increase organic traffic to your blog. Doesn't matter whether you have a niche website, right? When you apply this easy trick, it's not a trick, it's a easy method, I can say, you can increase your organic traffic. So normally when you write a blog post, right, when you make a new page, maybe you are targeting few keywords, right, 2 3 4 keywords, and then you make the content, and then hopefully it ranks on Google. So when you rank your content, your blog or your blog post on Google, you don't know what are the other keywords ranking your articles, right? That's normal because there are so many related keywords, right? So when you search, so if you search SEO specialist Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka is my home country, so I'm coming from Sri Lanka. So when I target SEO, what is this? SEO specialist Sri Lanka, and that was the main keyword I wanted to go for, right? So that ranks number one since I think around 5 years. Hopefully, I think it will be on for first spot tomorrow as well, right? So when I ranked this keyword, there were many related keywords also ranking, right? So I didn't know there are so many. So the thing is, if you can ask Google, right? So if you can buy a tool to see, okay, what are the other keywords my blog post ranking, right? Ranking for. So you don't have to buy an expensive tool for this. Of course, you can buy KeySearch. By the way, there's a link in the description, so you can use my affiliate link if you like to buy KeySearch. But we use KeySearch for our keyword research, right? To see the competition, right? But we are not buying another tool to see what are the other keywords my blog post rank for, right? If we can ask from Google, hey Google, can you tell me what are the other keywords my website, my blog post, my blog also rank for? That will be great because most of organic traffic come from Google, right? Google is the biggest search engine. Of course, there are Bing, Yahoo as well, but we give more priority to Google because we get a lot of traffic, organic traffic from Google. So I will show you how you can increase your organic traffic to your blog with a Google's tool. So by the way, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you like to learn SEO. I have a lot of videos. Anyway, so what is this secret tool? This is the secret tool, right? Google Search Console. Now I am on my website, nimanthadas.com. That's my own personal website. Okay. And you can see some data, right? The thing is, so you need to connect your website with Google Search Console. If you haven't, do it now. And when you connect your website with Google Search Console, you are not gonna see data like this fast. It will take some time to gather all this data. Like when it is like few days, you can see some data coming, right? Why this is a great tool? Because this is from Google, right? What people are searching, how people are reaching our website, how many clicks our website get, all the details are there, right? That's a crazy thing. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on pages. Okay, so you can actually select this one for last 28 days if you want. Okay, so I'll keep it like 3 months, that's fine. So click on pages. Okay, here is my main page, SEO specialist Sri Lanka. So if someone search SEO specialist Sri Lanka, my website is coming as the first search result since many years now, like I said it in the beginning, right? And then click on queries, right? Click on queries. Oops, sorry, I forgot to say that. So click on your blog post or your page. I don't know what you have. Maybe one of your blog posts from your niche website or your blog, right? So this video is how to increase organic traffic to your blog, right? So if you want to increase organic traffic, you need to increase organic traffic to your blog post or your pages, right? So these are my pages. I don't have blog post. I don't know. Yeah, maybe one or two, but I have pages. I like pages. I build pages, not blog post. So click on one of your blog posts. So I will click my page. And then, so we can see clicks, 281 clicks, impressions, 18,910, positions, 10. You will know why the positions like end of actually end of the first page or start of the second page. This was the keyword, right? This was the keyword SEO specialist Sri Lanka, and this was the keyword I wanted to rank. So I'm proud because I have ranked my website for that keyword. And then I also wanted to rank SEO Sri Lanka, right? And my website also ranks so SEO Sri Lanka. Now the real interesting part. Go down and you will see 95 queries. So queries means keywords. Okay, these are keywords, right? So I will maybe 100, and then positions another one time, one. Okay, so you can see how many keywords this web page ranks for. So obviously Google tells us, hey, your web page or your blog post ranks for these all keywords. Why don't you optimize? Right? Normally these all keywords are related, right? Google is not stupid, right? Google is a smart machine, right? Google's bring your website and Google shows your website on Google for searches as a search result because it's related. That's why it's there. That's why your website appears, right? So what you have to do is you need to optimize these keywords in your content as well. So this is my page, right? This is my page. I need to update my page, to be honest. Didn't have much time to do a lot of stuff with my site. So you need to put these keywords in your content, right? But that doesn't mean you need to put all your these keywords everywhere or something like this, right? That doesn't help, right? What you can do is you can give more information around these topics as well. So targeting these topics. So SEO specialist in Sri Lanka. So this keyword I have already optimized. So I'm not gonna put another SEO specialist, SEO dash specialist like this. SEO specialist in Sri Lanka. These specialist keywords I have optimized, but I haven't optimized best SEO expert in Sri Lanka. I think maybe I put it one time or two times. Let's find remove best. Okay, it's not there. Best SEO specs expert in Sri Lanka. Okay, there you go. Where is that? Okay, so this keyword is also there, right? And then what you can do is you can click. So let's say I just put this keyword, right? And then I want to see, okay, how it performs now. So click on this keyword. I don't know what are your keywords. So imagine you have done optimize with these new keywords as well in your page, in your blog post. Click on that keyword. Okay. So now actually it is going up. Let's copy that. Okay, it says, okay, it's my website is here. I don't know why. Sometimes it's going up and down, right? But anyway, okay, I didn't see this one. Okay, it's going up and down. I think it will come up as well. Okay, now you know how to increase organic traffic to your blog. Use Webmaster Tool. All the time I say Webmaster Tools. The new name is Search Console, right? But I use Webmaster Tools in so long time, so my brain always say Webmaster Tools instead of Search Console. So now you know how to increase traffic to your blog. Like I said, it doesn't matter whether it's a niche website or your whatever you have, right? Use Webmaster Tools, Search Console to see what are the keywords and then go and optimize with these keywords as well. You get more rankings. That means you get more organic traffic to your blog. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like to learn about SEO, not forget to subscribe into the channel as well. So see you in the next video.